This ICEPURE Alkaline Refrigerator Filter set delivers clean, mineral-enriched drinking water that tastes noticeably smoother than standard carbon-only cartridges. The cartridges are certified to multiple international safety standards and use food-grade, lead-free, bisphenol A-free materials, which inspires confidence for long-term daily use. Beyond basic chlorine and odor reduction, the media targets fine sediment and scale-forming contaminants while boosting alkalinity with beneficial calcium, magnesium, and potassium. A high-flow internal design keeps water pressure strong at the dispenser so you can fill bottles quickly without sacrificing filtration performance. The twist-in-style housing makes installation straightforward enough for a first-time user to complete in well under 1 minute, with no tools required. With a 5-pack, rated for roughly 300 gallons per cartridge, most households can cover about 3 years of refrigerator filtration while cutting down on disposable plastic bottles.